Hi, second graders, Miss Diorio here, and I'm super excited because we are getting started with iReady. So iReady is going to be our online math program that we use in addition to our math lessons. iReady is fantastic because it's going to give you lessons right at what you need. Okay, so I'm going to show you today how to log on and how to get started with your diagnostic test, which is going to kind of self-check and give you a starting place for your iReady lessons. So first things first, you're going to open up your computer, tablet, phone, whatever you're using, and you're going to go to clever.com. If you are using a school Chromebook, Clever is the page that pops up when you open the Chromebook, when you open the internet. So you'll already be logged on. For everybody else, this is what clever.com looks like. You're going to click Login as a student. Then you're going to have to search for your school if you've never logged on with Clever before. Our school is Citizenship Academy. Science Academy of Science and Citizenship. And it's going to say log in with the SANY account. So you're going to click Log in with a SANY account. Now, I'm going to use a student account so you know what it looks like from your angle. So to log in, you're going to log in with your email and your password that your teacher gave you. So it's going to start with 331, your first initial, your last name @sany.org. And then you're going to type in your password. I'm not going to tell you what this password is. Secrets. Oops. There we go. I agree. And here we go. Logging in. All right, so now we're into Clever. You can only get to iReady from this Clever portal. Once we get Lexia started, you're only going to be able to get Lexia this same way. You need to log on to clever.com first before logging on to iReady. So don't go to iReady.com, go to clever.com first. And then you're going to see your iReady. And you're going to click that link, and it's going to log you on.
Choose a subject.
Now, for our school, we are not doing reading for iReady. We are only doing math. So you're going to click on math. Now, you're going to see this My Path. When you start moving with iReady, you're going to see your lessons on the screen. However, for today, for the first couple times you use iReady, you're going to click this button that says
Diagnostic.
Math Diagnostic. What's awesome about iReady is that it reads everything to you. So once you're logged on, you don't need your parents, you don't need your brother or sister, you don't need anybody around. You can just do this completely on your own. What you're going to do today is called the
Are you working in your school building today?
Math Diagnostic. What you're going to do is answer the questions to the best of your ability, and I want you to do it on your own. So some questions might be easy peasy for you. You'll be like, I know this, super fast. Some of them are going to be a little bit tricky. It is okay if you don't know the answers and okay if you don't get them right. They're just seeing where you are in your math knowledge. So if you get a bunch of easy ones right and then they start bumping you up, that's okay. What they want to see is where your perfect math is, where your perfect math knowledge is. And then from there, they're going to give you lessons based on what you know and what you don't know. So when you're taking this diagnostic, make sure that you try your best and you don't just click through, because you don't want to be bored when you start doing iReady. You want it to be right at your level, right at things you can do. So take your time. All of the questions will be read to you. If you need to hear them again, hit this
little you working in your school building today?
Speaker button, and they'll read the answers to you too.
No.
And you can choose. I also want to show you one of the first things you're going to do is you're going to go through the different tools
My name
for iReady.
is Lori. We are going to answer some questions today.
But wait! What kind of questions? What if I don't know how to answer them?
That's okay. I'll teach you. Let's start with this question.
You're going to see the same thing on your screen.
Speaker buttons play words or sounds. Tap on all 3 speaker buttons.
Now, once you get through this, what it's going to come
Tap
to,
on each speaker
I'm
button.
going to exit out of this for a minute. What it's going to come to is a series of little boxes with different pictures in them. You have to click on each of the pictures and watch the videos. It's teaching you how to use the tool in iReady. So, to recap, you're going to go to clever.com. Then you're going to click sign in as a student, Sani account, use your Sani email. Once you're signed in with your Sani account, click iReady. It'll open up. You're going to
Choose
click
a subject.
math, and then pick the green diagnostic button. Now, last note, you do not have to do this all in one sitting, okay? If you want to break it up, do it a couple different times, that's totally fine. It saves you progress, all right? Do your best. Do it on your own. Have fun, and I think you're really going to like your iReady when you finish.
To do.